In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a journal entry in QuickBooks. Whether you're a small business owner, a bookkeeper, or just someone looking to organize their finances better, understanding how to make a journal entry is a fundamental skill. So let's dive into it. First, you'll want to get started by clicking on the Sign In button. If you're not already logged in, this is the first step to accessing your QuickBooks account. It's important to ensure that you're securely logged in. A typical security tip is to always check the URL bar for a secure connection before you proceed. Now, once you're signed in, you will find yourself on the QuickBooks homepage, a hub of various accounting tools and features. But today we're specifically keen on journal entries. So the next step is to select QuickBooks Online if you have multiple subscriptions or versions available. This ensures that you're working within the right platform that supports online journal entries. It's reasonably straightforward, just to click on the right option and you're ready to go. Now, you'll be prompted to type in your credentials. This is just verifying who you are before granting access. Enter your username and password, then click continue to move forward. The seamless interface ensures that these credentials are verified quickly, provided you've got them correct. Don't forget, if you're using your personal device, it's often a good idea to save your login details securely for quick access next time. Once you're in, you need to locate the New button. This button is generally visible on your dashboard. With just a bit of searching, you'll spot it. Click on New, and you'll be delivered options for what you can start working on. What you want to click on next is Journal Entry. This choice opens up that entry form where all the magic happens. With the journal entry form in front of you, you'll start by adding the initial account in the first line. This will be the account that's either credited or debited, depending on the nature of the transaction. Make sure that this account is correctly identified to ensure accurate financial reporting. After that first line, go ahead and add more details. This might include specifics such as the amount, description, or any other pertinent information that would clarify the transaction. Then enter the other account you're either moving money to or from in the second line. The second line complements the first by balancing out the transaction. Again, details are everything here, so be precise with your input. Finally, before you wrap up, review all entries to make sure everything matches and that there are no discrepancies between the debits and credits. When you're satisfied, click on Save and New to finalize this entry and prepare for the next should you have additional entries to make. And there you have it, a complete journal entry in QuickBooks.